What up, buddy? Okay, we got John here. We are dropping John off at home, but we have a dilemma. We got at Deadpool 2, at Young MK, little Darius. But these two are got a battle for shotgun. 2 out of 3, rock, paper, scissors. Now this is straight rock, paper, scissors. There's no Spocker, no rocket launcher, none of that bullshit. Alright, so 2 out of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Okay, so hold on. That's 1 for Nelson. He needs 1 more. And he'll be joining. Ooh, tied up. Just like that. Oh, paper covers rock. You seen it, Darius? I seen it.
Bull. Bull. That's 2 out of 5.
We'll get him next time.